In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google search history. Hey everyone, this is Vikram Shrestha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before I start the video, I do have one request for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss the latest video updates. So first thing first, go to Google, click on the icon up there in the right corner, scroll a little bit down and go to search history. Once you hit there, it will take you to your searched history. As you can see here, these are my searched history. Now, in order to delete these all search history, simply tap on the delete button, which you can see here in the right corner. Select delete all time. Again, hit the delete button and tap on got it. That's it. As you can see here, your Google search history has been deleted already. I hope these easy steps helped you to delete your Google search history. Thanks for watching. See you next.